Hey there traders, today is the 19th of February 2021 and this is your daily market breakdown. So we're going to start off on Bitcoin here. We can see that we are still breaking up higher, making higher highs and higher lows. This is confirming that the trend is still up and not been broken yet. The time that I would believe this trend has been broken is if we violate this diagonal trend line and if we break below the 55 exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. Also, another thing that I'm going to be paying attention to is if Bitcoin takes out this previous swing low to the downside. That would be my confirmation that this is a reversal and we could see much deeper retracements than just a couple of 10 or 5% pullbacks. So for me right now, Bitcoin, these are the two levels I'm paying attention to. If we make it down here to 49,900, I would like to take a position, perhaps a long position. So I'm actually going to put an alert in here to notify me when the market gets down there. So definitely an opportunity to be buying Bitcoin at this level. I'd be looking at it as an opportunity, excuse me. And then if Bitcoin breaks above $52,587, I'd be looking to go long as well. I'd be looking for another extension as high as $55,000. So that is a level that I've been talking about for a couple of weeks now. I do think that ultimately Bitcoin will come up there to test that level, especially seeing that we have broken 50K as easily as 1, 2, and bam, we're done. So Bitcoin looking overall bullish, excuse me. I do think short term we could see some pullbacks here. I do think very short term that we could see Bitcoin come as low as 49K, excuse me, 50K, 49,900-ish. Anywhere around this zone, I'd be looking as a possible buy opportunity short term. But we'll look at the market first before we make any kind of decisions based on that. But I think we'll make our way lower here today. I could be surprised. I will be very surprised if Bitcoin breaks above here. We'll just take a long position from there then. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, we have a pending order in here. Unfortunately, never got to fill this pending order, which is okay. We now see Bitcoin Cash potentially breaking to the upside here. I do want to say this, I would not be long on Bitcoin Cash unless it closes a candle, a 4-hour candle above $722. But the real level that I would love to buy is down here at 664. But either way, I'd love to take a position on either of these levels. So we'll see if it closes above this level by 10 o'clock. We'll definitely take a position on BCH USDT. Ethereum, the position I would like to get for Ethereum is around $1,870. That's exactly where I would love to take a long position. We are seeing some resistance here being built up over the last couple of days and a clear rejection from that level. So I do think same as Bitcoin, I think short term we might see a pullback here. I definitely want to buy this level if Ethereum makes it that low. So I'm going to put an alert in there so that I'm notified as soon as that happens. If Ethereum does break above $1,953, I'm still going to take a long position from that point and perhaps look at an extension back up to $2,000, maybe even $2,010, something like that. But we'll see and reassess as the market moves. Chainlink, Chainlink kind of creating a little bit of a pennant formation here. We had an impulsive move to the upside, consolidation, drop in volume, momentum oscillators agreeing that we are in some kind of consolidation pattern. So I would not be long on Chainlink from this point, even though this does look promising and this does look like a good opportunity to go long. I would be rather patient and wait for a close and a confirmation above the trend line and the horizontal line before I look for any kind of buy opportunities for Chainlink. So right now, still remaining neutral. And to the same token, if it breaks below this trend line and this horizontal level around $29, then I'll be looking to go short on this back down to these previous levels of structure. So we actually have around $26 most likely would be the first bounce point, or well, the major bounce point. So Ripple kind of neutral here, not really much to say. If it breaks above 55, well, call it $56 cents, I'd be looking to go long. If it breaks below $51 cents, I'll be looking to go short. Not much to really share on that one. Litecoin, same old, same old. Um, Really pretty much what I'm going to be looking for is a close above $237. On a 4-hour closing basis, then I'll be looking for an extension to the upside. So I'll probably take a long position from there. To the same token, if we see any kind of 4-hour candle close below $215, I would not go short yet, but I would look at this trend as being broken. Only time I would go short if is we break below $206, $205, and close a 4-hour candle below that. That's the previous major swing low. It lines up with the 55 exponential, so that's where I would like to take some short positions. Okay, Uni looking pretty bearish here. I would love for Uni to close below this $19 spot 67 cents level. Then I'd be looking to go short on this, definitely. I would love to short Uniswap back down to $19. But if we make it below $19, I think we could even go as far as saying we'll see it around $17.60 again. But if we do make it that low, I'd be looking at that as a buy opportunity for this particular asset. I think once we get down here, there's going to be loads of orders stacked. Just to give you guys an idea, let's have a look. Okay, so this is where all of the volume is currently being traded at. So you can see a lot of volume nodes here with the VPVR. Don't worry, you don't have to understand this, but the point is, as long as price is below this red line, let me switch off all the drawing tools, you'll be able to see this red line. The point of control is this red line. So if it's below that, it means that the bears are in control. So any kind of short opportunity here would be a very good one. So I'm definitely paying attention to this coin today. I'm going to put an alert right over there. That's where I would love to go short on this asset. Hopefully today. Um, Definitely not going to be bullish on that one. Neo, if Neo can close a 4-hour candle above 46.14, I'll be happy to go long on this one as well. Still overall looking bullish here. We are creating a little bit of on the lower time frames, a cup and handle formation. Volume seems to be agreeing. We see some volume picking up a little bit while price is moving up. I think Neo wants to break out the way that BNB did. It usually follows in those footsteps. So let's talk about BNB. We closed our position out at 196, but then early morning hours, the Asian market really pumped the living daylights out of this thing. So we definitely can switch this now to green, and we can now look at this as being the previous order block. So let's put in the previous order block. And if we look at this being the previous order block, then we can expect a move back down here to come and fill some orders to create liquidity in the market. So I would love for BNB to make it back down to that level. If it does, I'd be looking for it to be a long opportunity. I wouldn't be looking for it to be a short opportunity. The only time that I would be short on BNB if it breaks below, excuse me, $119. So it's way down here. So I'm definitely super bullish on this. Any pullback here would be an opportunity for me. Monero's, not much to say. Any kind of break below 242, spot 37, I'd be looking to go short on this. If we make it back down to 215, I'd be happy to take a long position there. To the same token, if we do break above 277, I'd be looking to go long on Monero as well. So there's a few opportunities today. Let's just mark them off real quick. Bitcoin, I think we will take a pending order, so we'll make that one yellow, and we'll see if we can get filled here on that level today. Perhaps we get lucky. and the market pushes back down. I think for now we can leave this Bitcoin Cash pending order. Let's have a look. Ethereum, I think we can enter the pending order here around 1868. So I'm definitely going to be putting in a pending order on that one. Nothing really on Chainlink, nothing really on Ripple, nothing really on Litecoin, nothing really on Uni. We'll see first if it breaks below that level. Nothing really on Neo, nothing really on BNB. I suppose we could put an order in here, but yeah, maybe we should. Let me just. I'd like to see how the market reacts when we get down here first, before we put any pending orders on that one, and then pretty much nothing on Monero. So these are the 3 coins to keep an eye on: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. I think these 3 do have an opportunity for us today. If Ethereum comes back down, fills our order, brilliant. If it breaks up, we'll manually get into the trade using a market buy for another extension. Bitcoin Cash, if we can make it back down here, that would be brilliant. We can get filled. I would expect another move back up, but if we close above 722, I'd expect us to take a market position from there and trade this bad boy up to 750. And with Ethereum, okay, no, I did mention Ethereum. And then with Bitcoin, obviously the same thing. If we can get back down to 49,900, I'd be happy to take a long there and see how this one plays out as well. So keep an eye out for those pending orders. Be safe in the market. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.